Is it time to buy or sell Robinhood stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Robinhood. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has ranked Robinhood as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.7. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of nearly 49% since we first listed Robinhood as a buy candidate just 23 days ago. This translates to an average return of approximately 2.12% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust rising trend in the short term, indicating that further upward movement is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 61.85% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 17.79% to 74.43%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 119.80%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 24.20% and 137.54% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $89.76 and $171.67. Our latest daily update for Robinhood includes the headline, Robinhood stock upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Wednesday trading session. The Robinhood stock price increased by approximately 0.767% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025, rising from $71.72 to $72.27. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a short break over the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.6%, with a low of $71.13 and a high of $72.98. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 11.34% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 11 million shares, with a total of 31 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.26 billion. It is important to note that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $72.98, while the lowest price was $13.98. Currently, the price is 0.97% or 71 cents below the 52-week high and 14.98% or $12.73 below the all-time high reached on the 4th of August, 2021, when the price peaked at $85. Robinhood Markets, known by its ticker symbol HOOD, is currently making headlines as shares reach an all-time high following the successful closure of its $200 million acquisition of Bitstamp. This strategic move not only strengthens Robinhood's position in the cryptocurrency market by adding over 50 global licenses, but also opens new opportunities for institutional clients and innovative services such as cryptocurrency lending and staking. The excitement surrounding Robinhood is further heightened by the possibility of its inclusion in the S&P 500, which typically boosts stock prices both upon announcement and actual inclusion. Robinhood's ongoing expansion of products, particularly in cryptocurrency trading and banking, fuels investor optimism and momentum, recently propelling the stock to its highest level in 52 weeks. Amidst these developments, retail investors have been actively realigning their portfolios, especially moving away from major technology stocks. This trend reflects a shift in investor sentiment, which could lead to short-term volatility, but ultimately positions Robinhood as a resilient player in the changing financial landscape. In the long term, Robinhood's strategies and innovations, along with its mission to democratize trading, are likely to capture greater market share and sustain its growth trajectory, making it a compelling option for investors seeking opportunities in the fintech space. The sustained interest from investors indicates confidence in Robinhood's ability to navigate both regulatory challenges and market fluctuations, enhancing its positive long-term outlook. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned HOOD a buy grade while recommending a hold action. On Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, Citigroup rated HOOD as outperform, also suggesting a hold action. On Monday, the 24th of March, 2025, Morgan Stanley provided HOOD with an overweight grade and advised a hold action. On Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, Deutsche Bank reiterated a buy grade for HOOD, again recommending a hold action. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned HOOD an overweight grade and took an initialize action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Robinhood stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as sell. However, for return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Robinhood. The Robinhood stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $67.60 and $55.61. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far it has risen 111.5%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Although prices increased during the last trading day, volume decreased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal from 40 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 97 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 34 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 32 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 20 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Robinhood. Robinhood finds support from accumulated volume at $71.72. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.85 between its high and low, representing a 2.6% change. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.44%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Robinhood, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 29 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Robinhood. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Robinhood encounters its first support level at $71.72. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Robinhood from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Gallagher Daniel Martin Jr., who bought and sold 302,758 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 22.771. Overall, insiders purchased 3,135,363 shares and sold 4,944,427 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $70.10, reflecting a decline of 3%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 39 days ago. Is Robinhood stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may represent a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Robinhood stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis, changing our conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of June, we anticipate that Robinhood will open lower by approximately 14 cents, beginning at $72.13. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.